Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Norwegian Arctic field ration from Norway, and this menu is chili con carne. So let's have a close little look at it. And there you have it, we have an Arctic field ration. Now this was made by Ration, and the menu is chili con carne. You get 1300 kcals, very nice. You have a list of the contents right on the front in Norwegian, English, and French, which is very nice. So let's check out the English list. And we have chili con carne, which is made up of soy, which is disappointing. We have some peanuts, protein bar, blackcurrant drink, energy drink, dark chocolate, spicy sauce, chewing gum, coffee, vitamin tablet, disinfection swab, spoon, and a Ziploc bag. So it's everything that's inside. This ration is very light, and they're very similar to the American LRPs or long-range patrol rations, just to give you a comparison. And here's the back. And the bag is made up of relatively thin plastic. Comes in this nice olive drab green. And as you can see, it's somewhat see-through. And yeah, that's it. Let's open it up. All right, let's open it up. It's very easy. Find one of the corners, open it. And just like that, we're in. See what we got. And we have a cranberry protein bar. Sounds very good. And we have a dark chocolate energy bar, 60% cacao. Can't go wrong with that. We have a multivitamin. And here we have the blackcurrant instant drink. There you can see the blackcurrant. Sounds interesting. And we have a package of spicy sauce. That's a must-have. We have a moist towelette or disinfection swab. Here's one of the best ration coffees, which is the Colombian freeze-dried instant coffee by Polar Mill. We have some chewing gum, not bad. And here's the main entree, the chili con carne, and it looks like it does contain actual beef. Not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah, can't wait to try it. Here we have the Norwegian Arctic field spoon, and feels a little bit flimsy. Some peanuts. Nice. And we have an energy drink with a taste of raspberry. Very interesting packaging. And we have a bag for your extras or for your trash. And that's it. All right, guys, there you have all the contents. And as you can see, it's a very nice, complete meal. You have your main entree, some snacks, a couple of drinks. So very complete, very nice. And as you can see, this ration has a very commercial feel to it. But don't be fooled by that. This is an actual Norwegian military ration. So without further ado, let's try it out. All right, let's check out the main entree. Get it prepared. And there it is. Let's give it a little try. Not sure if that's meat or something else. Let's grab one of the beans. There's the freeze-dried beans. Nice and crunchy. All right, let's get some hot water in there. There you have the fill line. Looks about right. Let's get our spoon. And just give it a nice stir. Get everything mixed up very well. close it up. Give it a little shake. All right, so we'll let this cook for about 8 minutes and then we'll get back to it. All right, let's prepare all the drinks. Start with the coffee. Let's check out the blackcurrant drink. That's what it looks like. All right, so the instructions say to use warm water, so. All right, we'll let these drinks cool down for a minute and we'll prepare the energy drink. Let's open it up. And I guess we'll mix it in the bag. You need 300 mils of water. All right, give it a good shake. And there we have the raspberry sports drink. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's not bad. It's got a nice mild sweetness and flavor. Very refreshing and enjoyable, so not bad. Let's check out the blackcurrant drink. Give it a little stir. And there we have the blackcurrant drink. Let's try it. Oh, wow. Yeah, this definitely has a nice blackcurrant flavor to it. Very strong, very natural. It has a really nice sweetness, very flavorful. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. All right, let's try our Colombian coffee. Give it a stir. So there's no sugar or creamer for this one, so just have to have it plain and black. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Yeah, this coffee is excellent. Nice dark roast, excellent quality. All right, let's try the other components. We have some peanuts. There they are. And there you have the roasted and salted peanuts. Let's try them. Yeah, not bad. They're just roasted peanuts, but they're really good. Probably the best roasted peanuts I've had. All right, let's check out the main entree. Should be ready. There it is. Let's get on our tray. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. It smells really good. It smells like chili with beans, kind of like that. Yeah, definitely rehydrated very nicely. You can see some of the beans. Looks like red bell peppers and other goodies. There's the chili con carne. So let's try a bite. There you have it. It looks really good. It smells really good. Let's try it. Let's grab another bite. Those beans are nice and firm. All right. Let's wash it down. Yeah, not bad. You can definitely taste the beans and the red bell peppers. The best way I can describe it, it tastes like chili with beans. It does have a slight sweetness and tomato flavor to it, but overall, that is excellent. All right, let's kick it up a notch. Add some of this spicy sauce. There we go. All right, let's add some of it. Nice thick red sauce. That's enough. Let's grab a bite. All right, let's try with the spicy sauce. Oh yeah. Let's try the spicy sauce by itself. Yeah, it's a nice thick red sauce. Not as watery as your typical Tabasco sauce. All right, let's try it. Yeah, that is a really good hot sauce. Definitely has that vinegar taste, that vinegar flavor, and you can definitely taste those chili peppers. And the hot sauce just complements the chili con carne. It doesn't add much to it, just kind of goes with it. All right, let's check out the cranberry protein bar. It does kind of look like a Rice Krispies square, and you can see the raspberries. So let's try it. Yeah, that is almost exactly like a Rice Krispies square. Almost the exact same texture, just has that raspberry flavor to it. Yeah, it's very sweet, very nice. All right, let's check out the multivitamin. There's the back. And it just looks like your typical multivitamin tablet or pill. Let's try it. Yeah, even the pill tastes just like a multivitamin. All right, let's open up the chocolate. This should be good. And it looks like we have some blooming, but should be perfectly fine. Let's break off a piece. There's the chocolate. All right. Yeah, that chocolate is excellent. Very nice quality, very smooth, very sweet. Let's try with the raspberry bar. Should be good. Excellent. Yeah, that is definitely the way to go. And the last thing we have is spearmint gum. Let's check it out. And it just looks like your regular chewing gum, Chiclets gum. All right. And that's just your typical spearmint gum, nice and minty. All right, guys, I guess that wraps it up. This was the Norwegian Arctic Field Ration, chili con carne, and I must say these rations are excellent, very high quality. Everything was amazing, no complaints. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this ration a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's a must try. Go out and get it if you can find it for a decent price. I just want to give all of you a huge thanks to my patrons and to all of you that watch all my videos and follow me on social media. Thanks a lot. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.